All right, and if you've noticed a thicker haze on the horizon, ongoing wildfires in Northern California and Oregon are bringing smoke that is now affecting the San Joaquin Valley. Unfortunately, weather patterns through this weekend will continue to draw that wildfire smoke into Kern County. As a result, the San Joaquin Valley Air Pollution Control District has issued an air quality alert along with the National Weather Service. Residents impacted by the smoke are told to stay indoors to minimize exposure to particulate matter emissions, which can trigger asthma attacks, aggravate chronic bronchitis, and increase the risk of heart attack and stroke. People with heart or lung conditions, young children, and the elderly are especially susceptible to the health effects from this kind of air pollution.